Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, the engine air filter is located right here under the front hood. It's very easy to remove it and replace it. You don't need any special tools. You just have to remove this cover by unclipping two of these metal clips, one here and one here. So just want to push it here like this and like this and leave this cover up, and you should have enough access to remove the filter. Okay, and once you have the filter out, you can see this one wasn't replaced in a long time. I just got this car off the car auction. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand. It's always a good idea before installing new filter just to clean this box on the inside and then install the new filter. But that's about it. And once you're done, you will just clip it back. If for some reason you cannot remove this cover to give you enough space to pull out the filter, then you can loosen up this screw and completely remove the cover and unclip this connector. But I'm pretty sure you can easily remove it the same way I did. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.